Oh, babe, I look on the door. It's called Shaq-A-Roni.
Yeah, Shaq-A-Roni.
Yeah, this look good. We don't never get Papa John. I always say we don't never get stuff, but we always eat the same stuff. My hair's, I don't know, I was just trying something different today, so. Oh yeah, the July, I hope not, that's coronavirus. But we can, that's nice.
Who in the fucking Lambo?
That's gonna be us, and they gonna be looking at it like, damn, look at them young kids.
Damn, that bitch was crazy.
It was shiny.
Lambo.
It was shining. He definitely picked the right color.
The yellow.
Yeah. I like any color car that looks real good.
Boy.
Yeah, red always looks sexy too. I would love to have a custom-made color car, but I just wouldn't drive. I just wouldn't want to drive it often because even people that don't even know you, that hate, they know that's your car. We on our way to the dollar store. Gotta get a few things. We were supposed to go to Walmart today, but we was out yesterday, literally from sun up to sundown, working, and we didn't feel like really doing nothing today. 7:30. I would want to Walmart, but I already know that shit packed. We went. When was that we went?
The other day.
The day for yesterday.
Yeah.
And it was the lines, every single line they had open, which was only like 4,
Right.
and plus checkout, self-checkout. It was, the lines was through the, like the clothes, back to the baby section. I'm like,
It wasn't even 4 lines, it was 2 lines open.
And then the self-checkout.
And it was some little self-checkout thing. That one, and then it was
the personal one that you can do. Like, we was contemplating getting in line, but we like, man, this shit gonna be slow as hell. Like, fuck this.
Line was getting all the way back to the baby clothes. Like, that shit dead. And then that self-checkout line was shit all the way to the freezer.
Yeah, it was in the groceries and shit. I'm using my cup, y'all. Watermelon. I gotta get that pineapple one. Okay, we'll see y'all in the dollar store. Look, the baby in the middle now, and he leaning because he's crazy. He already dropped the stuff.
Hell no.
They ain't even gonna wear it.
Hell no.
Tape. We'll never get it from here though. But I think it'd be with the, like toothpaste shit. Let's get some electrical tape. Yeah, I said you have some electrical tape. Ooh, I didn't know they had little ones. No tape for the baby. Look, liquid skin, the better Band-Aid. I ain't never saw this. You're crazy, baby. I already know. Like that place we went to.
When you go anywhere, you know, eat, come back out, or whether you already out, stop and get whatever you need.
I don't even need nothing. I told you I just want to go to Walmart one day. We went out to St. John yesterday. It was nice out there. You want to buy a piece, baby, real quick? Because it smells so good.
Man, you got him a friend like, look at these dogs.
I don't give a damn. Did you put hand sanitizer on? Dirty ass.
Did you? I didn't touch nothing.
I just noticed that didn't say ranch.
Okay, my God.
The fuck? I'll eat it, but the fuck? I swear, every man out here looks like Eric. Don't he look like Eric in them?
I'ma just go this way, fuck it.
Whiplash.
Move it close to it.
Outside, finna pop some fireworks.
And it's going to be fun!
Yeah, we got his little fireworks. We ain't doing all of them, but we got a few of them.
All of them!
They already told them that you finna show out real quick, cause you hear people popping fireworks. I still look crazy, and I left my camera, so I'm on the phone once again. Go!
Boom! Check out. Wait, hold on.
Do the savage one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! I'm a savage. Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm a savage. Classic, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting, stupid. He just probably want to walk around. Ain't that upside down?
No, babe.
It's not. Right, that's why. How you gonna stick it in the ground? I thought you was gonna put that in the ground.
No, asshole.
Oh shit.
Hold it on now.
I don't know how.
Yeah.
I don't know how. I'm scared.
Girl, what? It ain't even gonna do nothing to your scary self.
This ain't locked, is it? Ah, okay.
I thought that shit was stopping. I know there was no 96 stop. Big ass airport in this guy.
Get up there to get on the street.
She ran. It sounds like it's just a ball going nuts. Ah! Nah. Okay, I'm finna light it.
Look at that. Yeah, this the mini tip we got. Yeah, it's red tips and fries, sauce on everything. Yeah. Okay, this is the queen. Boo boo. It's the fries with sauce. This is the sad thing of onions. Yuck.
Yum.
And this is a Tommy burger. Gumbo. Double meat. It's like 2 patties, ketchup, mustard, you know, cheese. Under, what's this, gyro meat? Yep, it's like gyro meat with it. So it's meat, well, patty meat and gyro meat. Yeah. Okay, I got this though. I got the catfish nuggets. Yeah, my sauce on my fries. You know, I got my bread. Yeah, look at the catfish nuggets. Hope it's good. I ain't never had the catfish nuggets though. Never had. Yeah, I told her I want sauce on everything. I said, bitch, even the bag too. My beautiful son. No, so my handsome son. Hey, Junior. What the? How you go from eating yogurt to goddamn going, what's that, pear?
Apple.
Applesauce? What? What kind of mud are you? The little computer in the back say, yep. So got my Zoe babies on, daddy.
I can't even go sit up. I can't even see him now. He's leaning down.
Good, good.
Look up.
I just love music, don't you?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, say I love music too. No, you don't. Don't you tell that story, because every time I play my music in the car, you cry. Hey, this toy is old.
You bought it like 2 months ago.
Right.
Months ago.
And now he just running away. So daddy all close too. I'm zoomed in, baby. Look at her. Ooh, you wanna be on camera?
No.
Yeah, you do. Look at her, y'all. Look
Y'all,
at
my
her.
camera is...
Since she always put me on camera.
Yeah,
Look
my
at
camera is full, so that's why we're using the phone.
Yeah,
I'm like taking the
yeah.
videos out right now.
yeah, so now I got home camera, y'all. Eat up, boy.
It's me and my son looking like... What is my brain? Where you at? Oh,
On the
back
side
there.
right there. Y'all want to see me flick her?
Stop, babe.
She
I ain't
hates
the
the
baby.
stop. Flick her neck.
Alright, that's enough, babe. I'm ready to eat.
Nah, when I be ready to get off camera, you still have it on me, so
No,
hey. Hey, girl. Hey, look at those sexy lips.
Baby.
Ooh, look at. What we do to the baby? Oh, they're in the applesauce. Hell, give it to them.
Guys, we have cable. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You chilling, watching show. Why you always talking like that? Let me see, I gotta change you. We just got home, y'all. Look at this cup I got. It's so cute. Oh, I'm gonna get a pineapple one. And we got some Popeyes. Y'all, I fucking hate this Popeyes. I'm never fucking going there again. It's always some bullshit. Last time we couldn't get a 10-piece because they ain't having no chicken. So we had to get an 8-piece, but we didn't get that shit. And today they ain't got no fucking size, no no honey, no hot sauce. Like, damn. I'm like, every fucking time. That looks good, I guess. We were doing some Instacart today, so this is... Oh, Valley God. Yeah, I like when somebody got cable because we don't never get cable.
All right, get the camera ready. I got
Earlier. But yeah, we got some Wendy's fries. Wendy's fries in there. He got a chili. And then I got a Frosty that's melting.